In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize columns in Wix so you can quickly adjust your page layout and get everything looking just the way you want. First, open your site in the Wix editor and go to the page that has the strip with the columns you want to resize. A strip is simply a horizontal section on your page that holds your content. Click on the strip to select it, and once it's highlighted, look for the layout option. This is where you can control how your columns are arranged. When you open the layout settings, you'll see different options for adjusting the proportions of each column. If you want something fast and simple, you can choose from presets like 50/50 or 30/70. These automatically resize the columns for you. But if you want more control, go to the column proportions section. Here, you can manually adjust how wide each column is so the layout matches your exact design vision. As you make changes, you'll see the columns resize in real time, which makes it easy to line everything up perfectly. Once you're happy with the results, just continue editing or publish your site when you're ready. And that's it. Resizing columns in Wix is really just about selecting the strip, opening the layout settings, and choosing the proportions that work best for your design.